Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a timeline network on FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix or how to solve timeline on network on FIFA Mobile, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you'll search about FIFA Mobile here in this window and you will click. When you'll find this list of app info, you will enter the first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on this window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. You will find here clear data, but don't click here because that can make a lot of problems or mistakes on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.